Hello guys, Barış Baktaş who has proposed Yağmur Yüksel yesterday and as they both were working together at the set of Çiçekleri season 1, this series has not only become the source of their great success but they have also found in each other a great love. Yes guys, Barış Baktaş fell in love with Yağmur first and he proposed Yağmur immediately. But Yağmur took time to accept the proposal. But now Yağmur has also accepted the proposal and Barış is really happy because now they have decided to get married and both are very happy now because Yağmur Yüksel has accepted the proposal of Barış Baktaş.